Welcome to Back AM Auto Master, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a car that blends the past with the future in an extraordinary way. Get ready, because we're about to explore the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mk1, a modern masterpiece inspired by an all-time classic. The Volkswagen Golf GTI Mk1 is where the hot hatch legend began. Back in the late 70s, Volkswagen introduced a small, lightweight, and powerful hatchback that changed the game forever. It was simple, fun, and incredibly engaging to drive. Now, in 2025, Volkswagen has decided to bring back the spirit of the original Mk1 but with a modern twist. It's a perfect blend of retro styling and cutting-edge technology, designed to appeal to both classic car enthusiasts and modern performance lovers. At first glance, the new Golf GTI Mk1 is a nostalgic masterpiece. It stays true to the original boxy design but refines it with sharper lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The front grille still carries that unmistakable red GTI accent, paired with sleek LED headlights that have a subtle vintage touch. The classic round headlights of the old Mk1 have been reimagined into modern LED units that still maintain their retro appeal. The wide stance and aggressive fender flares give it a powerful presence, making it clear that this is no ordinary hatchback. The attention to detail on this car is incredible. You get classic GTI badging, a redesigned VW logo that pays tribute to its heritage, and stunning lightweight alloy wheels inspired by the original Pirelli design. Wrapped in high-performance tires, these wheels not only enhance the aesthetics but also improve handling and grip. Around the back, the squared-off taillights and dual exhaust tips remind us of the raw and unfiltered driving experience that the original Mk1 GTI was known for. But this time, it's enhanced with a more refined, high-tech appeal. Step inside, and you'll feel an immediate connection to the past. The 2025 Golf GTI Mk1 has a retro-modern interior that blends the best of both worlds. The dashboard is clean and minimalistic, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster that mimics the classic analog dials of the past. The steering wheel, wrapped in premium Alcantara, has a flat-bottom design for that sporty touch, while the gear shifter proudly retains the signature golf ball design, a tribute to the original. The seats are where things get even more exciting. Volkswagen has brought back the legendary tartan fabric, a hallmark of GTI interiors for decades. These sport bucket seats offer outstanding comfort and support, perfect for both daily driving and spirited track days. Ambient lighting runs along the dashboard and door panels, creating a sophisticated yet nostalgic atmosphere inside the cabin. While the exterior and interior carry strong vintage vibes, the technology inside is completely futuristic. The infotainment system is powered by Volkswagen's latest software, featuring a large touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A custom GTI interface lets you switch between different driving modes, from eco-friendly cruising to full-on performance mode. The audio system, developed by a high-end brand, delivers an immersive sound experience that makes every drive even more enjoyable. But let's be honest, the heart of any GTI is its performance. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mk1 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an exhilarating 280 horsepower. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a quick-shifting DSG automatic for those who crave modern convenience. The power is sent to the front wheels, staying true to the GTI tradition, but enhanced with an electronically controlled limited-slip differential for maximum traction and cornering performance. The lightweight chassis and refined suspension setup make this car an absolute joy to drive. Volkswagen has equipped it with adaptive dampers, allowing you to adjust the ride quality depending on the driving conditions. Whether you're attacking twisty mountain roads or cruising through the city, the 2025 GTI Mk1 adapts seamlessly to your driving style. The new model also features an advanced braking system, ensuring that the performance is balanced with incredible stopping power. On the road, the Golf GTI Mk1 feels lively, responsive, and connected. The steering is precise, giving you confidence through every turn. The turbocharged engine delivers instant power, with a deep and satisfying exhaust note that adds to the overall driving experience. Thanks to its well-balanced weight distribution and sport-tuned suspension, the handling is razor-sharp, making every drive an adventure. While this car is all about performance and heritage, it doesn't compromise on safety and convenience. The 2025 GTI Mk1 comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. It also features a 360-degree camera system, making parking in tight spaces effortless. Volkswagen has ensured that the GTI spirit remains intact while integrating modern technology to enhance safety and convenience. Now, you might be wondering, can a performance hatchback like this be practical for daily use? The answer is a resounding yes. With its efficient engine, the 2025 Golf GTI Mk1 offers impressive fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for both city commuting and long highway drives. The spacious cabin and well-designed storage compartments ensure that you have enough room for all your essentials. Plus, the hatchback design provides a generous cargo area, adding to its practicality. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mk1 is a true tribute to its legendary predecessor. It captures the essence of the original while incorporating modern-day performance, technology, and comfort. It's a car that appeals to both enthusiasts who grew up loving the Mk1 and a new generation of drivers looking for an exciting, stylish, and practical hot hatch. Volkswagen has managed to create something special with this model, an automotive time machine that delivers the best of both worlds. Whether you're a collector, a performance junkie, or just someone who appreciates the history of great cars, the 2025 GTI Mk1 is bound to impress. What do you think of the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mk1? Would you take this modern classic for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AM Auto Master for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.